I know this nigga from the south. Before I let him hit, I had to put it in his mouth. Splish splash, pussy never on the drought. Put him in the doghouse, then fuck up his bank account. All
Hey glam dolls, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna learn how to make rhinestone glasses. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the basics, like a rhinestone chain. I believe this is 1 yard, and a scissor, clear glasses, and we'll be using crazy glue as well. What does that look like?
Vito, baby. Yeah. Bet you I can make you famous. Let me see it, different angles. Innocent, get you hard like a lighter. +1, girl, you know you invited. I ain't gonna tell you what the stroke be like, but if you let me show you what the stroke be like, I make this look easy. I mean, this should be on TV. I mean, all you need to know, you might not be used to this, but I'm not new to this. Girl, you be bustin' like a semi-gun. Didn't wanna give me none, now you pushing back on it. Girl, you be...
Hey y'all, after many tries and all, I've been able to finish this. And look at these rhinestone glasses. Like, who this? You'll see me. This is perfect for a night out. I don't know what the outfit is gonna be, but to them hoes. Y'all see me?